On the bottom side of our display you can find different connections. Actually, we have here the network port. We have the USB port to save the readings you will find later. We have the power supply to charge a battery or to just use it as a standalone machine. We have the connection to our measuring unit, and we do have our in and out ports for your machine, injection molding machine or whatever you have. On the bottom side of our measuring unit you will find a connection for the display, the input for your temperature controller so that you can pump the water through our system to your machine, back to the system, and then to the temperature controller again. It will measure all the necessary data. With this 3/4 inch thread you can use your own connectors.